So today I would be telling about a new project called Kin. So what is Kin? Kin is also a cryptocurrency. So how do you earn Kin? So there is an app called Peerbet. So which will reward you in Kin tokens. So what is the price of Kin token? So as you can see my wallet. So we have a balance of 150. So we can earn by holding also. Okay, we can earn by holding. You should not transfer it to any what do you say, trust wallet or Binance Smart Chain or something like that. You need to hold it. Okay, yesterday's reward 0.20% API, so it is for 1 year. Okay, so getting back to, so you can send kin or receive kin. What is the minimal amount? Let's see, maximum available balance is 50. Okay, so why I can't withdraw my full balance? Let's see it afterwards. What is the value of kin? How can you earn kin tokens? Okay, so basically kin is an Solana based blockchain. So it is around 0.003. So it has grown very high, guys. So we should earn this token. So I will just show it by transferring the tokens. So just a second, I'm sorry. So if we could copy the address, so if we paste the address, okay, let's send the kin. Okay, so as we can see, it's loading. After loading, I can see 50 kin. Yeah, as you can see, the 50 kin has been deducted from my wallet. So the 50 kin will be added in my trust wallet. So how do we earn this? So you could earn this in many ways. Don't skip the video, guys. If you skip the video, you would be missing something. Okay, uh, so how would you earn kin? Will Fortelza beat Chepansky? This is an hot topic, so you could participate in some of the tournaments or something. There are so many, like esports, baseball, so many. So you could play. So there is an option called play in the right corner. So if you like to play, you can play. Will Fortaleza beat Chapansky? I think it's yes. Okay. How much do you bet? Okay, it's 100. Okay. Pick opponent. So it's a random opponent, or else we would be getting back with my friend. Play now for a return of 200 kin. Okay. So you are playing with 100 kin. If you win, you would be getting 200 kin. So as you can see, the balance is 0. So let's check in trust wallet also once. It would take 5 to 10 minutes, I think so. If it is not showing, not a problem. But how could you earn this kin? So I would be giving the link in description so that you can earn kin. And basically I am going to show how you can earn unlimited kin. Okay, this is the main thing which we have to see. So whenever you are trying to earn kin, you can also make sure you have applied flight mode and removed from it. Okay, after that you need to find where is your peer bet. Okay, so this is my peer bet. So go to app info. What you need to do, clear all the data. So clear all the data, take your mother's phone. So firstly, while creating the first account, we need to mention our phone number so that nothing will happen to our coins. Okay, the coins which we have will not be taken off. So that first register with your mobile number. From the second time, uh, go to storage. So you need to clear cache and clear data. Okay, I am not doing it because I will do it in my other phone. Okay, need not to worry. So after clearing the data, you need to go to the link. I will be giving the link in the description. So it would be redirecting to the app store. So when it is redirected to the app store, just press on open and start with register. So you need to have a mail ID maximum every family member has a mail id, so just register it with mail id and phone number so that we can earn much kin. Okay, for every referral we have around 2000 kin guys. 2000 kin means I would just show, just don't worry, 2000 into 0.03, so it's around 6 rupees guys. It is now it is this price, but someday it could be around 60, 600, 6000 also. Why do we want to waste something like this? So just log in with our mobile number and confirm the email id. That's it, you would be getting 2000 kin. Okay, if you like the video, please like and share this video guys. I am trying hard, very hard to give you the legit airdrops and something like this. Please it gives me motivation to do more videos. Okay, please don't skip the videos guys. Join my telegram link, I will be giving in description. Thank you so much for watching guys.